Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm holding the mic, something different. Something not so different is MQ MR Triton. I believe this one, is it an MQ or an MR, Trailer?
MQ, I think.
This guy doesn't know. Anyway, we're going to be fitting a EGR 3-piece hard lid. If you like EGR stuff, come to us. We can fit them for you. We're going to be removing these rails here, these Torno rails, because customer doesn't want Torno rails or a Torno. I think they're sick of the debris and dust and water getting in. We're going to be fitting that 3-piece hard lid. That's the one that we can fit the sports bar. We'll fit a sports bar on there for him as well. And then we're going to be doing a tub slide and a tub liner. Pretty much just bring this tub back to life, make it usable, make it sealed, and make it look nice. And follow along as we do that. And then the cameraman's gonna make me go out the shot like this, and I'm gone, ladies and gentlemen. I'm gone. All you see is Triton. He's still filming me. He's still filming me. This whole thing.
Too much distraction, too much going on. It's so hard to pay attention. Oh, it makes me wanna lose my phone. Too much BS to mention. Try to fill my cup, I try to measure up. Nothing seems to satisfy. When I'm alone with you, everything is alright. When I can hold you close, there's nothing better than to have you by my side. I can tell by the way you're looking at me. We ain't gotta worry, cause I'm meant to be. When I'm alone with you, everything is alright. When I'm alone with you, everything is alright. When I can hold you close, nothing better than you by my side. I can see it in your eyes, ain't no surprise. Love, it comes so easy, we don't have to try. When I'm alone with you, everything is alright. When I'm alone with you, everything is alright. Oh yes it is. Yeah, it's alright. Just you and me, nobody else, nothing better than having you to myself. Just you and me, nobody else, nothing better than having you to myself. It's just you and me, nobody else, nothing better than having you to myself. It's just you and me, nobody else, nothing better than having you to myself. It's just you and me, nobody else, nothing better than having you to myself. It's just you and me, nobody else, nothing better than having you to myself. hear the sound of the breeze carrying us away. Dust in the rear view, free as a bird. This is our time, no matter what they say. Every mile behind only brought us here. Now the road is clear. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. You know I'm loving the ride. Oh yeah, loving the ride. Can't you feel this is real, you and me? Nothing in our way. Baby, we weren't born to run. Take the back road, let's make a great escape. Cause this life moves fast and we can't stop time. So put your hand in mine. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No plans, just a cranked up radio. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Girl, I'm loving the ride. Don't matter where we're going, don't matter what we do, long as we got each other, just me and you. Shotgun ride on my Friday night. Sunset fire burning in our eyes. Let's leave the past in the past and deal with it another day. All we got is this open road. No map, just the stars to light the road. Ain't promising forever, ain't no end in sight. Oh, nothing lasts forever, but we can sure as hell try. Girl, I'm loving the ride.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this video. As you can see, we've got our tub slide here, which you guys have seen multiple times. We've got locking positions, 300 kilo load rating on that one. We've also fitted this EGR hard lid, painted, and this tub liner. It's given it a bit of a revival. If you did like that or you want anything like this, give us a call, 0296278666, or give us an email, anything you'd like, a text, a fax. We don't have a fax machine, a pace. I don't know, anything you'd like. Just get in contact with us, mail. Yeah, send us a pigeon bird. I like that, cameraman. Pigeon bird. Send us some air freight. Yeah, send some owls through, some Harry Potter shit, man. You just let us know any way you want, what you want, and it'll get done. That's how we like to do it out here. Thank you very much. Alright, the cameraman's just absolutely going nuts. Nuts.
To make you
No, I don't want to poof anymore. You don't make me poof. You don't make me poof.
Say it. I'll do this one.
Will you do it this time? Cameraman said he'll make me poof this time. No. I'm done. I'm done.